Hello, I am Akshata Kumbar and welcome back to the Daily News Bulletin of Jagran English. Let's begin with the first big story of the day. The Union Health Ministry today confirmed that 14 out of 21 Italian nationals have been found positive for coronavirus and have been sent to ITBP's quarantine facility in Chhawla. With the new confirmed cases, the total number of confirmed cases in India reached 28. Out of the confirmed 28 cases, 3 are from Kerala, 1 each from Delhi and Telangana, 6 from Agra, 15 out of 21 from an Italian group which had come to India for travelling and their Indian driver. Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan said that the man who was tested positive in Delhi has infected 6 members of his family in Agra and they are all tested positive for COVID-19 today. Dr. Harshvardhan also said that the authorities are currently conducting the universal screening of flights coming from 12 countries, but now they will start conducting a universal screening for all passengers coming from all international flights. Till Tuesday, the authorities have screened about 5.89 lakh passengers at airports, over 15,000 at major and minor seaports, and over 10 lakh at the borders with Nepal, and have kept 27,000 under community surveillance. Meanwhile, at least 25 more people suspected of coronavirus are admitted to Safdarjung Hospital, while 4 more patients who have been suspected of the deadly virus are kept at Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital in Delhi. All the petitions related to last week's violence in Delhi, including that of hate speech, will be heard by the High Court on Friday. In view of the justice, the Supreme Court said today, turning down Centre's plea for more time. A clutch of petitions were filed in the top court by the victims asking for action against the BJP leaders responsible for hate speech, which allegedly played a key role in the spread of violence in northeast Delhi last week. The 4-day mayhem had left 48 people dead and more than 200 people injured. The group approached the top court after the Delhi High Court last week gave the police 4 weeks to provide an update on action taken against the leaders accused of inciting violence over the controversial citizenship law. Appealing for time till Monday, the centre argued that the Chief Justice of India was not aware of the situation and that hooliganism is created in the High Court, a reference to the shame slogans by lawyers during the hearing in the case involving the police crackdown on Jamia students on December 15. Last week, the High Court had adjourned the case for a month after the sudden transfer of Justice S. Muralidhar, who had urged tough and prompt action against the hate speeches. President of India Ram Nath Kovind today rejected the mercy plea of one of the 4th death row convicts in the 2012 Nirbhaya gangrape-and-murder case. The Delhi government had yesterday recommended the president to reject convict Pawan Gupta's mercy plea, just a few minutes after it received the mercy petition from the Union Home Ministry. The hanging of the 4 convicts who are lodged in Tihar jail was fixed for March 3 in Tihar jail. However, it was deferred for the 3rd time in 6 weeks by a court in yet another twist in the case, marked by apparent delaying tactics by the condemned prisoners, as convict Pawan Gupta filed a curative petition in the Supreme Court, which was rejected then and there. But the trial court deferred the hanging till further orders, saying the execution could not be carried out over pending disposal of Gupta's mercy plea before the president. With today's development, all 4 convicts have exhausted all their legal remedies and their mercy petitions too have been rejected by the president. With this, I conclude the Daily News Bulletin for today. We will be back tomorrow with more big stories of the day. You can log on to english.jagran.com to catch all the developments of the day. You can also follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. Thank you. Goodbye.